Ever wondered if what you eat could be causing your joint pain? There's a fascinating link between our diet and joint discomfort. Some foods might trigger inflammation, worsening joint pain. However, others can soothe it. So what are these magical foods that can help ease your joint discomfort? Let's explore. Introducing the 5 key foods that can help alleviate joint pain. First up, we have fatty fish. These ocean dwellers are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their inflammation-fighting properties. Imagine a salmon steak grilled to perfection, helping your joints while you enjoy your meal. Next, we have garlic. This pungent bulb, a staple in many cuisines, is loaded with compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. That's right, your favorite pasta sauce is doing more than just tantalizing your taste buds. Thirdly, we have cherries. These sweet and sour fruits are packed with antioxidants, which are known to help reduce inflammation. Think cherry pie, but for your joints. Fourth on our list is broccoli. This green veggie is loaded with antioxidants and is also rich in sulforaphane, a compound that could slow down the destruction of cartilage in your joints. Lastly, we have walnuts. These crunchy delights are high in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, and they help curb inflammation. A handful of walnuts could be a handful of relief. Now, isn't that a tasty way to fight joint pain? To wrap up, your diet can play a crucial role in managing joint pain. We've uncovered the magic of 5 key foods today. Let's jog our memory, shall we? We started with the power-packed omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, a true game-changer for joint health. Then we moved on to whole grains, a rich source of fiber helping to reduce inflammation. Don't forget our green leafy friends packed with vitamin K, a true ally against arthritis. We then savored the antioxidant-rich berries, a real boon for your joints. Lastly, we explored the benefits of garlic, a champion in fighting inflammation. It's time to incorporate these foods into your diet and make a significant difference. Remember, the food you eat can be the safest and most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison. Choose wisely.